We are at 900 Sherwood in Lake Bluff. And now it's time to check up on the local Haughton elevator. I guess this is 900 North Shore Drive. I swear this was Sherwood, but I guess I'm wrong. Haughton. I like the cab in this thing. This used to have a mirror in the back. I don't know why they got rid of that. All right, down to B. To be honest, that actually kind of sounds like the pump is replaced. I think that's a new pump. This lantern's always been a little bashed up. I'm pretty sure it was cracked like that last time. Let's send it up a 4 and listen. That's where the old drop key holder was. Blueprints. What are these? Are these for this building? I don't want to rip it, but no, that's for houses. That's strange. Wonder why there's just a bucket of blueprints there. Anyway, that's it.